Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2006 Ram 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a bug deflector up on the hood and running boards down below, as well as heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires. This is a tow off the lot unit, meaning that no mechanical work will be done to the vehicle, so it'll be sold as is, and that is of course reflected in the price. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have very spacious seating for three that can be folded down and flat to make a nice flat surface and plenty of room for all of your cargo. And in the back you do also have these cargo compartments for more storage. And in the center you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet in the center there. And now looking in the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 315,157 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise control controls, actually on the left and right, and then you have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, as you can see. And then I believe this button here also shifts through your trip mileage, so you can see what's going on there at least. But moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is an aftermarket Kenwood Stereo with radio, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Bluetooth options, as well as CD, of course, and I believe also auxiliaries, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then moving down from that, you have a little cubby down here, but then you have your climate controls on three simple dials, very easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls and a 12-volt power outlet with a cigar lighter inside, and another cubby, and over here you have another 12-volt power outlet. Then you have your center console area where you have three cup holders and some cubbies, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which has another 12-volt power outlet inside, as you can see. And then there's a bigger compartment underneath as well, with a storage part for one of your compartments, and it is lit so you can put your stuff in there and actually see. But that should probably cover our look at the interior, I think. We do actually also have an Infinity audio system, so your audio is going to sound pretty nice in this truck. But if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.